Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla and I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. And I am worked with the various different technologies in coding and database and production environments to making vast enterprise applications. Yes, I am trying to putting all this expertise as a beginner and professional courses creation of the content in a new trending way. Yes, this course is prepared along with the ChatGPT AI tool to implementing how super easily you need to master in your way by learning and writing Python programs in short term. This is the main aim of this course. Getting started here to understand about the course. So introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises which you are getting from ChatGPT source code. How to get and help. Check your knowledge using documents and also check your knowledge with the ChatGPT. And for instance of a quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques, and learn how to write a query in ChatGPT to get an more accurate information and source code along with the documentation and steps, and submit your questions on asking QA forum for detail what you have tried with the screenshot of error code practiced by you. How to approach the course? Yes, this is very important. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. How we explained and how we executing and the steps you need to follow to understand and master in a concept. Follow the video guide, extra notebook information and add on what you need to think to add your real world own examples to try to practice the concept and scenario, and review certain information by reading examples of parts of video sessions and expanding your knowledge journey in that way. Exercises and solutions. Yes, you will be assigned a simple like a course exercise in this journey, and also you will be assigned a solution for this to be test your skill level based on your previous lecture, like what you learn and how you are cracking this particular solutions. Thanking you.